today I'll be making beans and corn. I'm going to add my corn. I'm gonna cover it and allow it to cook on a medium heat. While the beans and corn is cooking, I'll go ahead and fry the stew for the beans. Now I'm going to add my tomato paste. 1 scoop. Stir, stir, stir. And allow to fry before adding my chopped fresh tomatoes. Now I'm going to add my fresh diced tomatoes. Add my seasoning cubes and a little bit of salt and allow it to fry a little bit. Now I'm going to add my stock and the stew is ready. Now let's transfer the stew in here. I'm going to stir it a little bit so that the stew will go inside. I'm going to transfer my fried fish like so. Add my curry leaves. Allow it to cook on a medium-low heat. Let's check. Look at that. Now I'm going to add my spinach. The love I have for spinach, oh my goodness. So basically, the beans and corn is ready. This is me being extra, adding spinach. I like it. I'm gonna stir, 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 and it's ready. You guys, it's ready. You guys, we are done cooking. Look at that. It looks so good and very, very tasty. All done. Off the heat and time to. You want some? All right. Bye.